Life starts with motion. A healthy body is a body that moves with ease and flow. And in order to move with ease and flow, each of the spinal joints, the joints between your vertebrae, each joint needs to be able to glide and rotate freely without binding, impinging, or stiffening. We call that freedom of motion joint play. I'm going to show you some examples of how I test for joint play, and also some examples of how I try to free vertebral motion where joint play has become limited. Here's an examination technique to test the joint play of the back to see if each segment has freedom of motion. I can also test the joints of the neck. Or the joints of the pelvis, the sacroiliac joints. If my palpation determines that you have a zone of restricted joint play, there are a number of techniques I use to try to free it. In chiropractic, we call a maneuver to free joint play an adjustment. Here, I'm turning the head to the left, just adding gentle overpressure to get the joints of the neck to articulate more freely. I can also utilize a rapid but low amplitude adjustment technique. And here's another variation, a mobilizing maneuver to free the joint play of the low back. Whatever the technique, the goal is similar. Restore a normal pattern of motion to the spinal joints. It's one big step toward restoring the body's ability to self-regulate and regain health.